So hi everybody and welcome back to our C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 333 and in this video we continue with our move constructor, and we already talked about the deleted move constructor in our last video. In this video we talk about the trivial move constructor, which is a requirement for the implicitly defined move constructor. And let's get started. First of all, it says here the move constructor for class T is trivial if all the following is true. It is not user provided. Let's watch right now an example and check these requirements. Here down we have the struct B, and we have not provided a user defined move constructor. Okay, first requirement met. Then it says here it has no virtual member functions. T has no virtual base class. Says, okay, let's check this one. Has it here any virtual member functions? No, very good. And it is using inheritance, yes, but let's check struct A because we inherit from A. But you can see struct A is also not using the word virtual, which means here not on this level. We have two places where the word virtual can be placed in the class section. This is a layer here on top, or in the with functions, but you don't see it anywhere. So we are meeting the second requirements too. So these two requirements we met as well. Oops, not this one, I'm sorry. We met these two requirements here down as well with this virtual. Let's go to the next line. It says here the move constructor selected for every direct base of T is trivial. So the move constructor, let's check this one too. The T, also the base would be A. We go to the A and check the move constructor. This is the move constructor, and this is not trivial. Why is this not trivial? Because a trivial move constructor means it is not user provided, but we have user provided here, this one. So we are violating this one here, and you can see the first line says it is not user provided, and yeah, it is user provided here. But what does this mean for struct B? First of all, it started here with the compiler is creating a move constructor, a declaration, and now it is checking for a definition if it can create also a definition. And to create a definition, we already talked about this. It has two requirements. First, it is not deleted and it is not trivial. And we have just checked that this move constructor, this struct B, is not trivial because it's already violating one rule here with the move constructor of the base. And that means the compiler will here create also the definition, which means the function body. All right, so which means this struct B down will fulfill this behavior what we have already talked. But let's finish this line here for the trivial move constructor to understand this one as well. And the last line says here the move constructor selected for every non-static class type member of T is trivial. Okay, let's see. It says here the move constructor selected for every non-static. Okay, and here we have also a problem. What is here the problem? Here we have a member, and the move constructor of the string here, normally we have to open this one up and watch in how it is defined. It's not trivial, it is also provided by the programmer. So this one is also violating this one here, and this one would be not considered as trivial. And yeah, with that said, we have one more line here, and then it says if a move constructor is trivial, so let's say this one is not trivial, but let's assume there is another struct which meets every requirement here, then a trivial move constructor is a constructor that performs the same action as the trivial copy constructor. That is, makes a copy of the object representation as if by std memmove. So again, this std memmove is a special kind of memory bit copy, which is very optimized on the compiler level, and it's very fast. All right, that's it for this part, and in the next video we will go on here for the other parts. And if you have any questions, like all time, write in the comment section. See you next video. Bye and good luck.